Now the next question, that is, are 4, 6, 8, 12 in proportion? Which is also very important question from this portion. So here 4, 6, 8 and 12. How many numbers are there? There are 4 numbers. 4, 6, 8 and 12. So we have 4 is to 6, which is 4 by 6, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, that is 2 by 3, and 8 is to 12, that is 8 by 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, that is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Then we can say that 2 is to 3 is equal to 2 is to 3. So 4 is to 6 is equal to 8 is to 12. Now we can say that. So now we can say that 4, 6, 8, 12 are in proportion.